Hey, what's up, guys? This is Mr. Greg here with another quick video to help you guys out. I noticed that a couple of you guys were having trouble with either finding the diameter or finding the radius. So we're just going to go through a couple of pieces of homework and a couple of explanations to help you figure out some things. So before we really get into finding the diameter or finding the radius, I want to explain what the diameter is of a circle or what the radius is of a circle. So the diameter of a circle is when a line that passes from one side through the center and passes on the other side. Okay, now this doesn't mean that it's a line that just goes like this and it doesn't pass through the center. No, that's called something else. That's called the arc. So we're not going to worry about that right now. Okay, so that's what a diameter is. All right. A radius is, on the other hand, is when you start in the center and then you radiate out to an endpoint, to any part of the circle. It doesn't matter whether it's to there or let's say to here or wherever. It really doesn't matter. Okay. Now, once we have that out of the way, we can determine the radius or the diameter based on information given. Okay, so let's look at 1A. If you're looking at 1A on your worksheets, it says the radius R equals 5M, I believe. Okay, so you have a radius that radiates out to one side, and this is going to be 5M. Let's say it's 5 meters. Now, in order to find the diameter, because that's what it's asking, right? You're going to want to double that. Okay, I'm just going to put a little dotted line because I don't have another marker. All right. So what does that mean? That means that the only thing you're going to do when you have the radius is you're going to multiply or add the same number again, or you're going to multiply this 5M times 2. Okay. Now, once you have that, you get 10, and make sure you bring your units down 10 meters. All right. Now let's move on to finding the radius. Now, finding the radius will happen when you have the diameter. And once again, the diameter is when you go from one side through the middle point and to the other side. Now, don't make fun of me. My circle isn't perfect, but you know, we making it there. All right. Now, this has to pertain to, I believe, 1B. Okay. Where they say the diameter is, and D equals 6.8 meters, M, right? So what do you do there? And it's asking you to find the radius. Okay. Now we know that the radius is half of the diameter, right? So the easiest thing you can do is you're going to take your 6.8, right? And you're going to divide it by 2. Okay. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 2 equals 6. You're subtracting. You get that 0, and then you bring down and you start again. Also, don't forget that decimal point. You want to keep it there because otherwise it's going to give you a different number. Okay. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 equals 8. You subtract that out and get 0. So you're done. So the answer for the radius on problem number 1B is 3.4 meters. Can't forget our units of measure. All right. And there you have it, guys. It's pretty simple. If you guys have any questions, make sure you contact me. Peace.